Today we're looking at these speakers and optional subwoofer from NZXT. Not only do they blow your mind off, they actually look pretty nice as well. The NZXT Relay speaker and subwoofer create a dynamic audio duo for gaming and music. The 80-watt Relay speaker delivers high-definition sound with clarity and a wide soundstage. The 140-watt Relay subwoofer adds depth with its powerful bass, featuring a 6.5-inch down-firing driver. This combination ensures crisp highs and deep lows, ideal for an immersive audio experience. Adjustable controls on the subwoofer allow for a tailored sound to suit any gaming setup. Before we start the review, let us know what you prefer. Do you prefer a headset, simple small speakers, or something like this with a subwoofer, or even an all-out surround sound setup? Let us know in the comments. Packaging wise, NZXT stays true to its style, with its white box ascended with purple. A clear image of the product is placed on front and centre, along with essential specs at the bottom. One side of the box displays the contents, while the other lists detailed specifications. The back highlights key features with an additional image, but there is a notable omission because there is no QR code on the device for further information or a manual. Inside the box you'll find the speakers neatly wrapped in a plastic type foam, as well as foam padding at the top and bottom. There is also a QR code provided, but unfortunately this redirects to the NZXT main website and not the product manual as stated next to the QR code. The package includes an external power brick as well as a C7 power lead, combined totaling around 3 meters. There is also a 150 centimeters 3.5mm cable to connect to your PC or laptop or whatever you connect it to. Also a 145 centimeter RCA cable so you can connect it to other non-PC like devices. And also a 180 centimeter speaker cable to link the speakers together, so allowing you basically 180 centimeters spread if you wish. The base of the speakers are threaded for compatibility with stands, and the base also features a robust anti-slip design with the whole bottom covered in rubber. On the front we find the exposed 20mm silk dome tweeter and a 3-inch glass fibre driver on each of the speakers. They are both crafted from MDF and they come in a matte black or shiny white finish depending on which you purchase, with a subtle power light near the NZXT logo at the bottom. On the back there is an air displacement hole near the top. You've also got volume control, power button, multiple connectivity options including RCA, 3.5mm jack and speaker cable ports, plus the power jack. A subwoofer output is present on the back, but the subwoofer is sold separately. The left speaker houses all these connections, while the right speaker only has the speaker connector. The speakers have a solid weight and premium feel. They deliver a sound range from 70Hz to 20kHz. The lows can be extended as well between 45 and 150Hz with the additional subwoofer, which also features phase and crossover options. Inside the subwoofer box you'll find the subwoofer itself, a 1.8 meter C7 power cable, that's the ones what look like a figure of 8, and a 1.5 meter cable to connect it to the speakers. Instructions are not included, but the setup is straightforward. The subwoofer sports a sleek design with rounded corners, currently available only in black though. It has large anti-slip feet and a down-firing 6.5-inch driver. One thing to note that the black finish is prone to fingerprints. At the back of the subwoofer are controls for volume, crossover and phase, along with connectivity ports for speaker and power. The sound quality of the speakers on their own are impressive, but with the addition of the subwoofer, it enhances those lower frequencies and it changes the game totally.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pulls dust from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
These speakers are some of the best speakers we've encountered for a PC. They come at a premium price though, and I would recommend you click the links in the description just to find out how much they are, as prices do fluctuate. They're a perfect match for NZXT enthusiasts. For others, they're still a solid choice, but do compare with other options in the same price range. In conclusion, the NZXT relay speakers and subwoofer stand out as a top tier audio solution for both gaming enthusiasts and music lovers. The 80-watt speakers offer pristine clarity and an expansive sound stage, while the 140-watt subwoofer brings robust, deep bass thanks to its impressive 6.5-inch driver. The duo provide a balanced, immersive experience, enhancing every detail from the highest treble to the deepest bass. With its adjustable controls, the NZXT relay setup not only elevates your audio experience, but also offers versatility to fit seamlessly into most environments. Where can you go and meet hundreds of people just like you? Strengthen existing relationships and forge new ones with vendors and distributors, and meet some of the biggest names in the industry. Where you will be able to go and see the newest tech and services that you need to make your IT business grow. And there'll be thousands of pounds worth of prizes up for grabs. And what's more, you get all that for £1. TMAX 2024 will be on the 21st of June at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. This year's event will incorporate a live tech awards with evening casino entertainment, meeting areas, demo and interactive areas, and 800 other techs just like you. So go get registered now at tftmax.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.